Hi, I'm Mark Kipp with Reichs View Farms. This past summer we teamed up with Campsite RV and Cresco and Featherlight Trailers, and together we designed and customized trailers for hauling our wean pigs from our sow farms to our nurseries. We worked closely with the engineering team at Featherlight and worked through a lot of different prototypes, but I think we finally found the right fit for our operation. This trailer has a unique design in that it has one main deck that holds about 70% of the pigs. Featherlight and Campsite came together with us and they were able to help design a secondary U-shaped deck that wraps around the trailer. It still allows space in the middle of the trailer for the staff to work around and make sure the pigs are comfortable. It allows us to add about 250 more pigs to that trailer load. If this trailer's filled to max capacity, we can fit about 860 wean pigs on it. We can haul more pigs, and that's less times we need to back up to that sow farm and risk a potential infection. It's less times that we have to wash the trailer and disinfect it. On an annual basis, it cuts down a lot of movements that are not necessary now because of the size of load we can carry, and that reduces our risk. As you can tell, we have multiple rows of side panels that allow air in and out of the trailer. This is important because we're putting more animals than we typically had in the past on these trailers. It's important that we're getting them plenty of air. They were also able to give us some vents up on the roof that help ventilate as well, especially when you're going down the road. We also, on the nose of this trailer, we can allow air to enter the trailer when you're going down the road. A huge advantage to this trailer is it's got a nice center walkway in it, so the staff that has to wash and disinfect that trailer, they've got access to all areas. They don't have to crouch down for the process. It's very comfortable to wash. The biggest thing is that they're easy and accessible. People can get the pigs in, get them out, and it doesn't cause extra stress to the pigs or the employees. All the gates latch smooth and efficiently. It really makes it easy for the people handling the pigs, and it's easy on the pigs. We'd just like to go ahead and say thank you to Featherlight and to Campsite RV. We really appreciate them taking the time. This isn't a cookie cutter type trailer by any means, and they really did put in a lot of effort to help bring this thing together and get a trailer that works.